Today, I will share with you the magical and final treatment for the problem of hair loss and premature baldness, which enhances the strength of your hair strands and makes hair grow abundantly without stopping. The good news is that our recipes for today treat damaged hair and give you thick, long hair in record time. So in the first recipe, we need flaxseed. These seeds will boost the health and strength of your hair from roots to tips. Put 2 tablespoons of flaxseed in a saucepan. Then put 300 ml of water for fate. Okay, now put the pot on medium heat for 20 minutes. Until a thick foam is formed and we get a heavy consistency. Then, after it cools down a little, filter it using a piece of cloth with fine holes. Flax seeds are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which stimulates hair growth by nourishing hair follicles and enhancing blood flow to the scalp. This helps increase hair density and prevent hair loss, and gives your hair strands shine and prevents hair frizz. So we continue to press well until we extract all the liquid from the seeds. Now we need an egg. In this recipe, we will only need egg yolks, because it is very rich in healthy fats that help repair damaged hair follicles. Now mix well until the mixture is homogeneous. My friends, I am very happy to read your comments, and I hope you will write to me from which country you are watching this video. To enhance the effectiveness of this recipe, we will use rosemary oil. Everyone agrees that rosemary oil works wonders for hair, fills in hair gaps, and even treats hereditary baldness. It is a very effective treatment for hair loss. Okay, we'll just add a teaspoon and mix well. Now we use olive oil. But if your hair is oily, you can do without it, because it enhances the moisture of very dry hair. Add a tablespoon. So, the method of use is as follows. Apply this mixture using a hairbrush. Distribute it well on the scalp in the empty areas. Then distribute it to the split ends of the hair. Leave it for 1 hour to 2 hours until it is absorbed by the roots and hair. Then rinse your hair with water and shampoo. You can repeat this process twice a week. I am sure you will notice the difference from the first use. This recipe can be used for children and pregnant women. Guys, tell me in the comments the results of your experiments. So now we move on to the second recipe. We need a red onion. Despite its unpleasant smell, it remains one of the strongest and best natural treatments for the problem of hair loss. The sulfur present in onion juice contributes to hair nourishment and growth. But if you don't want to use onions, you can replace it with fresh ginger, because ginger has a similar effect to onions. So we take half a carrot and grate it on a fine grater. Then we filter the onion juice. Then take the yolk of 1 egg, and you can double the amount depending on the length of your hair. To get rid of the smell of onions, we use soluble coffee. Because coffee is rich in caffeine, it will enhance blood flow to the scalp, thus increasing the speed of hair growth. We put a tablespoon of instant coffee, then add onion juice. Now we use olive oil. For dry hair, use 2 tablespoons, and for oily hair, use 1 tablespoon. We will get a liquid consistency like this. Use this mixture on your scalp only using a hairbrush or spray bottle. Then massage the hair roots with your fingertips to increase blood flow. Leave it for an hour until the scalp is completely dry. Then rinse your hair with lukewarm water and shampoo. You can repeat this process 2 to 3 times a week, and you will not believe how your hair will grow without stopping. Guys, this recipe is really amazing. I've been using it for more than 8 years. I hope you use it and tell me the results. Choose the recipe that suits you, and I promise you will notice the difference from the first use. So guys, have a nice evening and see you in another video.